The same disregard for tribal dignity shows up when the Shompen are used as tools for political mileage. They are paraded in elections as PR stunts, their votes displayed as milestones of democracy.
What do they know about what a vote bank is or a politics is or nothing? Panchayat kya hota hai, they have no idea. It's a pass. So getting them to sign on or no decision or whatever it's not happening. It's not gonna. It's not something that is a realistic and democratic way of being able to work with them. And they are hunting at them. They people who live in that forest.
It is a mockery. It is a comedy which is going on.
In the Andamans too, tribal rights were turned into spectacle. Members of the Jarawa, a particularly vulnerable tribal group, were enrolled as voters.
जारवा को क्या मालूम है अंडमान एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या है, चीफ सेक्रेटरी क्या है, एलजी क्या है, अंडमान निकोबार क्या है करके उसको वो भी नहीं मालूम. फॉरगेट इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी एंड अब वो क्या वोट करेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी आई डोंट नो द गेम. बस मेरे को एक प्लेयर बना के आप धक्का दे रहे हो. इट इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप बोल रहे हो. किसको वोट डालेंगे? सब तो बोलेंगे बीजेपी को वोट दो. हमें प्रॉब्लम होगा. मेरा चमड़ा उतार देंगे ये लोग. सब बीजेपी को डालना है क्योंकि मालूम है 8 जन वोट डालेंगे. अभी उसमें से कोई कांग्रेस डाल दिया तो.
But this performance of inclusion went further. Tribal communities were put on public display for outsiders, stripping away dignity and respect.
There are incidents, I documented, recorded incidents where airport pay, they get people to dress up as Jarwas, painted in black paint, and dance and perform the welcome ceremony, which no Jarwa does. But why do you have to do that?
The same gaze has long shaped the language used for tribes. Labels like hostile or jungly that cast entire communities as threats. These labels became the convenient excuse for interventions in the past. One of the most lasting is the Andaman Trunk Road, a highway in South and Middle Andaman that cuts through what was declared a protected Jarawa reserve.
It's like splitting your home into two and bringing people to ogle at you. In the name of tourism, Jarawa tourism, safari, बस सबको देखना है. और इंडियन मेंटालिटी, आई एम जस्ट ओपनली, मैं तो सबको बोलता हूँ, इंडियन मेंटालिटी इधर में एक कैब ड्राइवर जाएगा एंड ही विल चेक अ मिडिल एज मैन. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके, सर जारवा देखेंगे सर. क्या है जारवा? सर एकदम नंगे रहते हैं. हाँ सही में नंगे रहते हैं.